Welcome back to Kian the Gamer. Today I have to do whatever the comment section people were saying, that we saw the thing of Null fighting with Null. He uses that. What do we call? He uses like digging down, and I don't want to take a risk, so I am going to fight with Null in creative mode. But I'm going to spawn like mini Null and then fight. That's why I'm doing cheating, because if I take a risk and all this, my game can get crashed. Yeah, I know something happens like this. In the comment section they were saying. So I don't want to take risk. That's why I'm just okay. I don't want to. I'm doing it in creative mode. Guys, please let me do it. Okay, see, I had kidnapped two llamas and one wandering trader. Okay, now let's go to the village and see anything strange has happened or nothing. Because we have to fight with Null in this. Then tomorrow is the Entity 303 fight. Then Herobrine. So then there's another video. Then Herobrine, and this series is Tong Tong Tong. If you all want my series to continue, please subscribe to this channel, give me likes and comments, and ring the bell button and smash the like button. Then my Minecraft series will start. But right now let me finish this Minecraft series. And if you all even want that, so we can play Minecraft, we will do all these people again. Like we'll fight with Entity Null, but in this we will do fighting with Null in survival. Entity 303 also more risky. Ender Dragon also without that thing. The what do we call it? The thing, what do we call? I don't know. Oh, my game got crashed. You guys, it will take a time, 2 minutes. So we'll do Ender Dragon, everything like that again. We'll not use iron golems for fighting with Wither. Only me, Wither, Herobrine also with all these stuff. We'll do more hard. Right now, this is my survival work, but you all have to have patience. You know why? Because after this Minecraft, this one series gets over, I'm going to play in 2 worlds. For the second, this world I'll play again, but first I have to finish with my Hello Neighbor series. And wait, why is it not here? Did you just teleport? How can iron golems teleport? From which universe these people have come? We'll even do that. Well, after this, we have to finish our Hello Neighbor series. Then I will do another. Then we'll do a little of our creative stuff. Like I'm going to do something more, and then we'll start our survival series from this world only. We'll do. Yes, we'll do in this world only. And there's the other world will be of Herobrine, because I'm going to make videos of Herobrine, Null, Entity also that they came, because I'm going to use their seed. I don't know if it works, but now first everything was going nice. Now my Minecraft, now my videos will get more scary. Okay. Oh Nala, getting it. Wait, no, why don't you teleport, man? You have so many powers. Why don't you use them? See, I'm just killing him. He's not killing me. He looks so fake. Hey, Null died. Wow. I spawn another one and fight with him. Oh man. Okay. Hello, Nalo, Palo, Pilu, Babulo. Null? Die, Null? Die, why to die? Who are you talking to? You're doing yes like this. No, Herban. No, Herban Entity 303. Please subscribe to this channel if you all want another series to start. It'll start. You know what am I gonna do? Now this is the third, fourth or fifth last video. So where we had stopped, like it